Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I want to talk to you about productivity and the limits of your attentional space. So I've never been good at multitasking and was actually envious of people who could do it well, especially those who were able to have a conversation with someone while sending emails. My mind was like blown. Heck, I could barely walk and chew gum at the same time. So I wanted to become better at multitasking and getting things done quicker so that I could be more productive. So I got into productivity because I wanted to be able to have a conversation and send emails at the same time. But after all the books that I've read, I found out that multitasking is a scam. That's right. Those people who were, sending emails while I was talking to them, they weren't even paying attention to me. And they're probably not paying attention to you either. We have a finite limit of how many things that we can focus on at a given time. After focusing on something, we can only hold a small amount of information in our short-term memory. That magic number of which our brain is able to hold information in our temporary memory is 4 bits. Just an example, try to memorize this list of names. I'll go ahead and give you like 10 seconds. Okay, now, how many names do you remember? Typically, people can only recall about 4 of those names from their short-term memory. So Chris Bailey, who was the author of the Productivity Project and Hyperfocus, he states that we have what is called attentional space, which describes the amount of mental capacity we have available to focus on and process things in the moment. What we choose to pay attention to, that information occupies our short-term memory, and our attentional space ensures it's kept active so we can continue to work on it. So our focus and attentional space are responsible for the experiences that we actually remember. Right now, what is occupying your attention? Are you focused 100% on this video, or are you kind of on your phone right now? Are you checking Facebook? Are you thinking about what you're going to have for dinner? So start becoming aware of what you're thinking about so that you can start managing your attention a little bit better. The more you notice what's occupying your attentional space, the faster you can get back on track. And simply just noticing what is occupying your attentional space has been shown to make us more productive. All right, guys, I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe to see more of my productivity videos.